Today we go from Crawler Canyon to a great little camping spot right near Chimney Rock and Mini Moab. This area is south of Salt Lake City. It offers free public camping on public land. To get there, you need to drive about 4 miles of off-road gravel. Fortunately, my little car will handle it, so yours probably will too. Up ahead, you see Chimney Rock. But before we get to Chimney Rock, we're going to crawl it the world's best little camp spot for RC crawlers. Today's ride is very appropriate for Utah, featuring Matt and Peanut in the Mini MORVAIR. This place offers my favorite kind of crawling. I really like some obstacles and some steep climbs and some good, slow, careful descents, and that's what I get when I come here. In the top left, you can see my little car. It's a Toyota Prius. I drove about 1,000 miles or more to get to this spot, and I camp in that car, and it'll keep me comfortable. It gets me where I want to go, and it's great for traveling and camping in when you're going solo. I really like the Mini MORVAIR for climbing like this. I could probably make some adjustments so the front doesn't lift like that, but it already climbs super well because of the long wheelbase. This thing has an SCX24 transmission and chassis in it, but it has FMS axles. Those things turn a lot faster than the stock axles do, so I get plenty of wheel speed. So I slow it down with the slow Motion Pancake. This combination has worked very well, though I do get some stuttering from time to time. So I run a 3S battery in it. Maybe one of these times I'll try 2S and see if it makes a difference. Here comes Matt and Peanut. You'll notice that there's a large power line tower in the background. That's right here near the camp spot. So this camp spot may not appeal to other campers, but for me as a crawler it sure does. So hopefully that means it's open next time I come by. This little ridge here is not an arch, but it sure reminds you of an arch as you drive over it. Steep drop-offs on both sides. If you'd like to see what the crawling is like at Chimney Rock and Mini Moab, please go ahead and subscribe. Those videos will be coming up in the next couple of weeks. I'll leave you here with a fail and a picture of the rig. Go ahead and check out the description for information on the vehicle and a link to this crawling spot. Happy crawling.